So when we set out to build KidCheck, the bottom line was to really fundamentally change the way that an organization and parents can interact to help keep their kids safe. But what we discovered in the process was actually quite remarkable. Not only could we deliver a check-in product that was full-featured and help keep kids safe, but we also were able to build one that was simple, easy to use, and most importantly, very, very affordable. The first thing that we did was just throw out any preconceived ideas that we had about what a check-in system needed to be. And we just started talking to child care providers to find out what they wanted out of a strong check-in product. And we heard 4 things back from them consistently that the KidCheck is really based and founded upon. The first one is just a very strong security system, one that can collaborate well with the parents and really involve them in the process of keeping their kids safe. The second thing was just making the product very easy to use and simple for anybody to manage. The third was to really utilize the latest in technology to make sure that the product is lightweight and can run on any hardware. And the fourth is just making sure that it's affordable for any size organization, whether they're a daycare of 50 kids or a church of 50,000.
Traditionally, check-in systems have been designed around an overall management system, and therefore they're really more for tracking attendance than providing security. And when we talked with parents and organizations, what we found as a key to security, security for children is really built on 2 things. First of all, it's built on having accurate information, and second of all, it's built on having great communication with the parents.
So KidCheck really takes an entirely new approach to the security aspect of a check-in system. A parent can go to KidCheck.com onto our website and create a profile of themselves. They can upload photos of themselves and their kids, put in medical information about their kids, create guardian lists, and then anytime they go to a child care provider that uses KidCheck, whether they've been there before or not, as soon as they check in, that information is instantly accessible by that child care provider.
What's nice about that is anytime the parents make a change, the organization automatically has that new information as well. And the parents have the ability to update it at any time, ensuring that the organization always has the most accurate information available and really alleviates the administrator for that organization to have to be a data entry person and maintain the database for that parent.
When we designed the look and organization of KidCheck, we realized that not everybody who uses KidCheck is going to be a supercomputer user, and nor do they really want to be. I mean, people who watch children do so because they love watching kids. They don't want to have to spend all this time managing a database and doing data entry. They do it because they love kids. KidCheck is designed to be intuitive and simple. I mean, we've designed every single detail to remove the complexities and make it very, very easy to use. Checking in is as easy as entering in your phone number or swiping a key tag. And the parents only have to view one screen, unlike other systems where there's multiple screens that they have to go through. Looking up information is quick and simple. There are video tutorials throughout the entire program that will make learning KidCheck for anybody, whether that's a parent or another administrator in the program or even just a volunteer, very, very simple. KidCheck has an entire reports library already built and pre-formatted for your use. These reports are easily exportable and customizable to really fit any need of your organization.
Your typical check-in system requires that somebody within an organization be responsible to manage and maintain not only the data, but the system itself, running updates, constantly updating parents' information, adding new parents. And this can become really kind of a necessary evil to make sure that the information that you have is accurate. Unfortunately, in a lot of cases, parents just don't think about giving their church or child care provider their latest contact information, so that data can get old very, very quickly and become a real liability for that organization. KidCheck has really revolutionized the process of maintaining that database information. We call our system a self-maintaining database, and it is basically exactly what it sounds like, because parents can go in and update their contact information for you. You don't have to go through and do all that maintenance work yourself. We also go out as a company and send them reminders to make sure that their information has been updated recently, so that you have the latest contact information should you need to get a hold of a parent in case of an emergency. KidCheck also utilizes the highest standards in making sure that the information is safe and secure. We encrypt all the transactions, everything in the database is encrypted. We basically use the same technologies that banks use to do financial transactions over the web to make sure that the information that you enter in as a parent and as a customer is safe and maintained to the highest standards. Our servers are also maintained to the highest standards. Our cloud computing infrastructure is backed up every 12 hours, and it's all maintained in a secure data center facility so that we can ensure that our customers and our parents can access their information 24/7, whether they're at home, at work, or on the road. But one of the most important aspects of maintaining a secure system is providing the ability for a child care provider to communicate back with parents. So we even included technologies like SMS text messaging so that a child care provider can instantly alert a parent of any issue that may be happening with their children, whether they are in a church campus or off campus, anywhere they are. 10 seconds after the message is sent, the parent receives it on their cell phone and then can respond immediately to any situation that may arise.
Because KidCheck is 100% over the web, our costs are very low, and that directly reflects itself into our pricing. We're a service company, and like other service companies, you only pay for what you use. So if you're a smaller organization, you can start with our Essentials package, which is less than $25 a month. If you're a large or even multi-site organization, KidCheck can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars over traditional type software programs. There's no expensive server networks to buy, there's no one to maintain those networks, you don't have to hire an IT staff to manage the information.
My favorite feature in KidCheck is if a kid gets sick or if a child has an emergency, the teacher can bring the kid's sticker and scan it and then automatically text a parent letting them know exactly what's going on. And KidCheck is the only system that I've seen that's been able to do that.
It's been really nice to get online and add guardians that can come pick up the boys. All they have to do is sign in, and I've already entered all their information online, and it's just made it really simple and easy.
I love KidCheck because I've got anywhere from 300 to 500 children that we check in on any given Sunday. It makes it so easy for me because I don't have to do anything and the information is always accurate.
I've been in the IT business for 15 years and I've deployed million-dollar systems that weren't as easy to use out of the box, that didn't take custom configuration, programming, coding, 50 people to deploy is this, and it does more stuff in one day than any system I have ever deployed.
I love how we haven't reserved our best ideas for our most expensive product. Every feature, every innovation that we've thought of in KidCheck is affordable to even the smallest organization that wants to sign up, even if they're just watching 15 kids. If you're an organization of thousands, you're going to save a lot of money, and you're going to have features that are just unparalleled in other systems. And if you're a small organization, you're going to love the fact that you've got at your hands a tool and a system that is incredible. And when you start using it, you're going to be amazed at how simple it is to set up, how easy it is to use. The reports are all just built right in. And I love talking to customers and hearing the experience that they have when they interact with parents, and just how much this enhances the experience of parents and what they think of their organizations.